You can see it all right here for your very self, guys, that I will have, and I will show you how we can get that Pokemon Go spoofer for both iOS and Android devices.
What is up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm about to show you how we can get the only working Pokemon Go spoofer, which you can get for both iOS and Android devices. I mean, just look at all of the new additions. It will be lit from now on Pokemon Go. So let me not waste your time. Let me guide you through the full process itself.
Okay guys, as you can see, I'm on Pokemon Go. I want to show you what this Pokemon Go spoofer is all about. You can see it all right here for your very self, guys, that I will have, and I will show you how we can get that Pokemon Go spoofer for both iOS and Android devices. So let me not waste your time anymore, and make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. It is very important because we cannot be on any type of VPN connections. Then open up any browser but search for gospoofer.com, guys. So sorry for the focus right there. There it is, gospoofer.com. So that is the website to be and get the Pokemon Go spoofer. Here's just a glimpse of the stuff that we will be getting. Let's start the whole injection and select our platform. So after that, you can select GPS spoofing, virtual joystick, walk routes, Pokestops, cooldown timers, IV checkers, anti-ban shields, enchant throws. I mean, you name it, this gospoofer.com site will have it. All for your Pokemon Go game. So now, building up the progress, we will just let it rest right here. Here is the protocol itself, and we will finish this whole thingy by completing two stuff. To choose one of them, of course. So we will have two options to complete it. We can choose one of them, and it goes like this. So you will have two options. First option will be to open up some apps from here. You will be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure to download those apps. And for example, AutoPace will ask of you to start the 3-day free trial, or Install Plus Register, Nielsen Pulse, or even you will have a faster way to open up two questionnaires. By answering them, that is how you complete it, guys. Literally just that. Open up those questionnaires, fill out those specifics, answer those questions basically, and then you will just enjoy playing Pokemon Go with the Pokemon Go spoofer. Thank you so much for watching, fellas. I really hope this was useful. If you have further questions, drop them down below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.